What if you could start investing with just $1? Sounds impossible, right? Well, in 2026, the barriers to investing have virtually disappeared. Thanks to new technologies and innovative platforms, anyone can start building a diversified portfolio with a small budget. Whether it's real estate, fine art, or AI-driven companies, you no longer need large sums to get started. With fractional shares, robo-advisors, and crowdfunding, the investment world is now accessible to all. Curious? Let's explore the top 5 ways to begin investing, even if your budget is small, and take that first step toward securing your financial future. 1. Tokenized real-world assets, RWAs. In the past, investing in tangible assets like luxury real estate or commercial properties often required large sums of money, usually hundreds of thousands or even millions. But in 2026, blockchain technology has revolutionized how we invest. With tokenized real-world assets, you can now own fractions of physical assets, such as vacation homes or commercial warehouses, for as little as $50 to $100. This innovation has opened up new investment opportunities that were once available only to the wealthiest individuals. Platforms like Arrived Homes and Realty have made this possible by allowing investors to buy shares in rental properties. Once you invest, you receive a proportional share of the monthly rental income and any property appreciation. This is a game changer because it opens the door to real estate investing without the need for a mortgage or property management. You can invest in high-quality properties without having to deal with the complexities of managing them yourself, like dealing with tenants or handling repairs. Tokenized assets also allow for diversification, which is crucial for mitigating risks in your investment portfolio. By owning fractional shares in multiple properties, you can spread your investment across different markets and locations, helping to reduce the overall risk while increasing your chances of earning from various income streams. Real estate typically grows in value over time, and with tokenized properties, you can capitalize on this growth without needing a large initial investment. This method of investing is perfect for those who may not have the capital to purchase an entire property or don't want the hassle of managing it. As real estate continues to grow in value, tokenized assets offer a chance to tap into that market, even if you only have a small budget. It's like having a piece of the property pie without all the hassle. Thanks to blockchain, anyone can now get in on the action and start building their wealth through real estate, no matter their financial starting point. 2. Fractional collectibles and fine art. Did you know that you can now own shares in rare art or collectibles, items that were once reserved for the wealthiest? Thanks to the rise of fractional ownership, high-value collectibles like artwork, vintage cars, and rare watches are now securitized into thousands of shares. These shares are traded like stocks, allowing everyday investors to gain exposure to these alternative assets without needing to purchase the entire item. This new investment model has opened up exciting opportunities for individuals looking to diversify their portfolios and explore assets that were once out of reach. For example, platforms like Masterworks allow you to invest in blue-chip art from renowned artists like Banksy, Warhol, and Picasso. By purchasing fractional shares in these pieces, investors can benefit from the potential appreciation of high-value artworks, which have historically outperformed other investment types over time. Similarly, Rally allows you to invest in items like vintage cars, first-edition books, rare whiskey, and even historical memorabilia. These platforms democratize access to assets that were previously limited to the ultra-wealthy, giving regular investors a chance to participate in high-end markets. The beauty of these investments lies in their ability to perform independently of the stock market, offering a unique hedge against inflation. While traditional stocks can be volatile and subject to market swings, rare art and collectibles tend to appreciate over time, providing stability and long-term growth potential. These alternative assets have historically been a safe bet during times of economic uncertainty, making them especially appealing in the current climate of fluctuating markets and inflationary pressures. With just a small amount of capital, you can gain exposure to markets that were previously inaccessible. As a result, owning shares in rare art or collectibles is no longer just a luxury for the wealthy. It's now an attainable and valuable addition to a well-rounded investment portfolio, offering both diversification and the potential for significant returns. 3. AI-driven microsavings roundups. If you've ever struggled with saving money, you're not alone. But what if you could invest without having to think about it? In 2026, thanks to AI-powered microsavings apps, you can. These platforms use artificial intelligence to analyze your spending habits and automatically invest the spare change from your purchases into diversified portfolios. It's the perfect solution for people who want to start investing but don't have a lump sum to put aside each month. Instead of having to make a conscious effort to save or invest, these apps do the work for you, effortlessly building wealth over time. Apps like Acorns and Raiz are leading the way in this space. With Acorns, for example, every time you make a purchase, the app rounds it up to the nearest dollar and invests that change for you. So, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, the app will round up the purchase to $4 and invest the 50-cent difference. Over time, these small contributions add up and can lead to a solid investment portfolio without requiring any effort from you. As these apps work in the background, users can also customize their portfolios based on risk tolerance, from conservative to aggressive investment strategies, offering flexibility for different financial goals. This method is especially helpful for those with tight budgets or anyone who wants to start investing but struggles to find the extra funds each month. By automatically saving and investing spare change, you can grow wealth gradually, without the pressure of allocating a large sum of money upfront. It's a simple, hands-off approach to investing that makes it easier for anyone to participate in building their financial future. 4. Investable AI themes, thematic ETFs. Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech companies anymore. It's an industry-wide revolution that's transforming various sectors like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. But how do you start investing in AI without picking individual stocks, which can be risky and require deep industry knowledge? The answer lies in thematic exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These funds allow you to invest in AI-driven companies across multiple sectors without the need to choose specific stocks. Thematic ETFs are an excellent way for beginner investors to gain exposure to the AI boom. By investing in funds that focus on AI subsectors like AI infrastructure or generative software, you can tap into this rapidly growing field with just a few dollars. Platforms like Robinhood and Public make it easy to invest in these ETFs with fractional shares, meaning you can start with as little as $5. This is an ideal way to invest in the future of AI while mitigating the risk associated with picking individual tech stocks. Thematic ETFs allow you to diversify your investment and be part of the AI revolution, all with a minimal investment. 5. Tokenized Treasury Bonds. Treasury bonds have traditionally been a safe, stable investment option, but they've usually been reserved for institutional investors or those with significant wealth. However, in 2026, thanks to fintech platforms, even small investors can now access tokenized treasury bonds. These bonds, which are digitized and traded as tokens, provide the same professional-grade yields but are available to individual investors with small budgets. What's great about tokenized treasury bonds is that they offer lower risk and provide a steady yield, often outperforming traditional savings accounts. Certain platforms now offer tokenized treasuries that allow investors to earn daily interest while keeping their capital accessible. If you're looking for a relatively low-risk way to grow your wealth, this is an excellent option. With tokenized treasuries, you can start investing with a small amount of capital, knowing that you're securing your future without exposing yourself to high levels of risk. And there you have it, the top 5 ways to start investing with a small budget in 2026. Whether it's tokenized real estate, fractional art ownership, or investing in AI-driven ETFs, the opportunities to grow your wealth have never been more accessible. Don't let a small budget hold you back from building a solid investment portfolio. Start with one of these strategies today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on smart investing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.